Good morning, Junior 5. Today we'll talk about forms of energy. Do you remember from Junior 3 what does the energy mean? Excellent. Energy is your ability to do work. To move from one place to another, you need energy. If we have a car, it needs energy to move from one place to another or to make a change. So everything, as we know, need energy to do its function. To do its function. What does the energy mean? I need food to get my energy to do my activities, to play, to run, to study my lessons. And the car needs a fuel to obtain its energy, to move from one place to another. And also electric lamp need energy to light our bulbs in our house. So what does the energy mean now? We have an activity to know what does the energy mean. Let's go to know. If I go upstairs, I need energy or I don't need energy? Of course I need energy. How can I get energy? Get energy from my food. So I must to eat my food to get my energy to do my activities. And when I go with my bicycle, when I ride my bicycle, I need an effort to move or no? Of course I need an energy. From where I get this energy? From the air? No. I get this energy from my food. So to make any effort or to move any motion, to make any motion, I need energy. So what does the energy mean? Energy is your ability to do work. It's ability to do work. What does the energy mean? From Junior 3 we studied before. Energy is ability to do work or to make any movement. If the energy has forms or types, excellent girls. Energy has a lot of forms. Today we will talk about some of these forms. So we will study the forms of energy. Forms of energy. First we have a type of energy called potential energy. Again, potential energy. What is the potential energy come from? Or I can see the potential energy where? Do you know the toy car? When we have a toy car at home, it has a spring. Do you know the spring? This spring stores a potential energy. So potential energy is a type of energy that stored, it kept in the spring of a car toy. Again, we have the first form of energy, which is potential energy. The potential energy is stored in the spring of a toy car. Potential energy, stored, kept. The next type, or the second type of energy, is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. What does the kinetic energy mean? It's a type of energy or a form of energy that produced or released. From where it released? From any motion. When I make any motion, that means I have kinetic energy. So it's produced from any motion. Like what? Give me example for something make motion and have kinetic energy. Excellent. Electric fan. Electric fan. And what else do you know? Yes, washing machine. Washing machine. It's a circular motion, mean it has kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. So we have two forms of energy until now: potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy and kinetic energy. How many types until now we studied? We have potential energy that's stored in the spring of a toy car, and the kinetic energy that's produced from any motion like electric fan or washing machine. And we have another type which is called the light energy. Light energy. It's produced from where? Or we can get light energy from where? Of course, the main source is the sun. So the light energy produced or gained or released, these all words equal each other. Produced from the sun. And what else made from human? Excellent, girls. Electric lamp. Electric lamp. So we can get light energy, or we produce light energy from sun and electric lamp. How many types until now? Excellent. Potential energy, kinetic energy, light energy. All of them are produced except one, which is excellent. Potential energy that's stored in the spring of a toy car. What else we have? Heat energy. Do you know heat energy? You can feel hot sometimes and we can feel cold sometimes. Heat energy comes from where? It comes from the heater. So heat energy produced from the heaters. Heat energy is a form of energy that produced from the heater. How many types until now? We have 4 types. First, we have potential energy, and we have kinetic energy, light energy, and finally we have heat energy. Is it all the forms of energy? No, we have another forms of energy. Example, sound energy. Sound energy. You can listen to my voice, or you can listen my sound, or you can listen for the radio or piano and so on. All the music tools. So sound energy produced from where? From piano or radio. Sound energy. And we have another type which is called electric energy. Electric energy. What's the meaning of electric energy? It's a type of energy or a form of energy produced from the battery. Do you know the battery? At home we have a battery, and in the mobile we have a battery, and sometimes we need to charge this battery. Why? To give the energy for the mobile, to make your calls and chat and so on. This battery is called dry cell. I can say to you battery or dry cell. It is the same name, battery or dry cell. Electric energy produced from dry cell or battery. Produced. Take care from the word produced or stored. And we have finally chemical energy. Chemical energy is the energy stored in the battery. This battery make or keep the chemical energy, and then it produces it as an electric energy. Again, this battery has 2 energy forms. One of them stored in the battery and one is produced. Who stored in the battery or the dry cell? Excellent, girls. Chemical energy. And who is the form of energy which is produced from the battery? Electric energy. So we have 7 types of, or 7 forms of energy, which are potential energy, kinetic energy, light energy, heat energy, sound energy, electric energy, and finally chemical energy. When I ask you, what is the form of energy that's stored in a toy car? You will answer me as dot energy. Good, girls. Potential energy. When I ask you, the energy stored in the battery, what will you say to me? Excellent. Stored in the battery, chemical energy. when I ask you about the produced energy from the dry cell, it will be electric energy.